Not so easy, huh?
What's going on, guys? It's Megell with another cleaning video. I guess I didn't do too bad the first time since, look, we're back at the set again.
I'm gonna give you the apron. I'm gonna take the camera. You do the video. You got this.
Sure thing, bro. Can't be that hard. If you like today's video, leave a like and subscribe. And hey, let me know if you want me to stick around. Today we got the Nike SB Parras. I really like this shoe, and I'm excited to get it cleaned up for you guys. So, let's get cracking. So for today's cleaning, we'll be hitting these up with the Essential kit and potentially the dry suede kit if they don't clean up just with the Essential. We'll go ahead, like always, set this left shoe right to the side and start off by taking the laces out. All right, now that the laces are removed, we want to go ahead and grab your shoe tree, adjust it to size. Now that the shoe tree is in there, the first step for this shoe is going to be soft brush and dry brushing, like that.
So last video said this was gonna be a piece of cake. Not so easy, huh?
The first step with this shoe is gonna be soft brush and dry brushing the dirt out, because you don't wanna just go and dip it in the water and scrub those stains and dirt further into the material. So this will just make sure you get the best ending result. Dang, bro, you did good on these, Johnny. You got these boys big dirty. All right, guys, so I'm done getting the excess dirt off of this shoe. Now the next step will be grab your solution, give yourself 2 squirts, and begin the cleaning process. All right, guys, so the shoe is looking really good after just the soft brush alone. The next step will be hitting the midsole with the medium brush. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so the medium brush did its thing. Now, lastly, we'll go on to the stiff brush for the outsole. All right, guys, so I'm done hitting all 3 brushes on this shoe, and it's looking way better than I thought it would be. So the last thing we gotta do is grab our laces, clean them up, set the shoe outside to dry, and we'll be all good. All right, so we're back from letting this shoe set outside for a couple hours, and man, I gotta say, it's looking a million times better. Now, gotta be honest, I'm not usually the one to go for SBs, but if I were to cop a pair, these might have to be my first ones. I mean, this gum bottom mixed with the abstract colorfulness is honestly just speaking to me, and it matches my shirt already. But yeah, that's for another discussion. Today, these shoes got cleaned up with the Essential Cleaning Kit, which can be found on Reshoevn8r.com. If you like today's video, leave a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? So that's gonna do it for today. I'm Megell, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to clean? I say, what? I'm a shoe care specialist.